Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 8B, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, access Settings and scroll down. Now click on Face Unlock, choose Enroll Face and enter your current login method. Then read the disclaimer, click on Start Enroll, read the instructions and tap OK. Now, when I go back, turn off my screen and turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!